First, I clean the glass with glass cleaner, and now with isopropyl alcohol. Once the glass is dry, position your decal. The clear backing is slightly sticky, so it should stay in place until you tape it in the center, like this. Now fold the decal over to one side. Carefully peel the backing material away from the transfer tape, making sure the decal sticks to the transfer tape and not the backing material. Peeling away at a sharper angle seems to help with this. Have someone hold the transfer tape side or tack it in place while you cut away the backing material. Now squeegee the backing tape and decal down onto the surface, working from the center. Now do the same for the other side. Gently squeegee to make sure it is adhered to the surface. Now slowly peel away the transfer tape at a sharp angle. Watch carefully to make sure the decal is adhering to the glass and not the transfer tape. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment too. It is all free and it really helps this channel reach more people.